Sir, here. Sir, over here. Sir, one more here. Second one here. Sir, इधर. Sir, इधर. नहीं, one is probably. Then check कर रहा है.
So, what do you want to say today came for NRI to today feeling the NRI?
Well, it's great. I think it's English is good.
Yeah.
I think it's great. It's lovely to felicitate fellow Indians, the NRIs who are working so hard in making our country proud on international waters. We've been through this trip and there's some fantastic achievements that Indians have made internationally, and I think the ethnic race, we've outbeaten everybody on international waters. So I think it's great, and it's a very prestigious moment for me also, for that matter, to be hosting and felicitating these wonderful gentlemen.
You just about a couple of days back hosted a function with Prime Minister Modi in Israel, the first Prime Minister to be in 25 years. Yes. So you are making a name on the center stage, being an NRI yourself. So how does it feel? How does it feel?
Well, it feels fantastic. First of all, it's a historic moment because it's actually the first Prime Minister of India to have visited Israel in 70 years. 25 years of the friendship ties, but 70 सालों में I think no Indian Prime Minister has ever visited Israel, and it was great. I'm going to mark this for the rest of my life in my diary, because I was the guy who hosted the entire event that day, and being an NRI that day, because I was in Israel, it was fantastic. It was so warm, it was so loving. I think the Indians in Israel are so rooted, and the minute I was on stage, the minute the Prime Minister, obviously, when he was on stage, there was so much rooting, there was so much noise that it just felt like being at home.
Recently, मतदान में जो टेरर अटैक हुआ है, उसके बारे में आपको क्या कहना है?
देखिए, I'm not the right person to comment on it, other than the fact that genuinely I think it's really saddened me, and it's very shocking that somebody would kind of do an attack on such a pavitra theme, if that's the right way to put it. And it's just sad. Even when I was tweeting about it last night, I very helplessly said that all I can do is just send my thoughts and prayers to the families of the victims. But I really wish that this whole these issues about religion just need to come to light somehow, and things like this need to genuinely stop happening.
Indians making their mark, in global waters as well. What is your one advice to the people who are back away from home, to stay connected to your roots? So one particular message you have to give them, what will be?
I think I'm nobody to tell them to stay connected to their roots, because every time I go abroad and I'm doing a show internationally, I feel the people internationally are so well connected and are so rooted and grounded that it's beautiful. As an Indian, when you go to London, you go to America, when I went to Israel, you see all these Indians. They're very rooted. They're very religious. They follow suit of the family culture, of the Indian traditions, of the culture in general. So I don't think they need advice at all. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, look at you. Whenever she's done with the yeah, you're done.
Both of you straight, please. in middle.
Ma'am, here please.
Now we look center.
Ma'am, here right. Right corner. Excuse me.
Now look center.
Yes, ma'am, here please. First camera.
Now we are center. Excuse me.
One more right corner. Thank you.
Look at Terence.
Terence, first camera. One more. Terence, right. Right corner. Right.
So yes, center.
Terence, right.
So yes, center.
Yes, Terence, the first camera here.
Terence,
Right here. Right.
So yes, center.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Start from your first camera here. Right side. Right here.
Now we are center.
I am going to be presenting an award, so I'm not getting an award, and my company is performing tonight. So I'm very happy for both reasons. And I'm giving the award for arts and culture. So that's again something that I'm very closely associated with. Dance is very much a big part of the performing arts. So it gives me great pleasure to give the award to somebody who is really worthy. And the person who's getting it is also physically challenged, which means he's blind and still being able to kind of pursue his music and dance. So I think it's great that I'm giving such an award to such an amazing human being, and I feel very privileged to be here. The NRI Awards for Times of India is basically, for Times Now, is basically an amazing way of telling people out there, because the NRIs are really the brand ambassadors of our country. So when they go abroad and they set up their own businesses in their world, they kind of make the people outside our country aware of what resources or what human resources we have or what capabilities we have. And with them shining as examples, they kind of also promote the concept of what India truly is. It's global, it's opening up its windows to the world, and if you look at our Prime Minister to how the growth patterns have happened, I think we're really about to conquer the world. So I'm really happy to be part of this, and I'm very proud that all our NRIs are doing so well. And it's a great way to also felicitate them and to also encourage them to do better. So just happy about that. Go ahead. Absolutely. See, every award, especially when it comes from a recognized body like Times Now, who clearly know what they are doing and they are into this in a very in-depth manner, I feel it kind of strengthens the belief of people who are NRIs, who are doing their work. It also kind of adds value to the work that they do. It gives them also opportunities and windows to interact, and the fact that an award ceremony like this also brings in people from the banking institutions that lend money and that do transfers and do all of that. Where at the end of the day, it's a business, and for the business community that is linked to the NRI, it's very important that they come face to face with the people who can facilitate those single window processes. So I think it's great that an award ceremony, not just for the awards, but also for the fact that they can socially mingle, figure out who's who, how can they move forward. It's also a meeting for great minds and great people who are doing business together to understand who's doing what in each country, apart from India, because so it kind of also gives you insight about what the people outside you are doing, and I think that's great in itself. And of course, the award itself also consolidates your belief that whatever you're doing is right and you're in the right path.